Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PayPal Commerce Platform for AI workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official PayPal website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Select the appropriate account type, either personal or business, based on your needs. Fill in the required personal or business information in the registration form. Review the terms and conditions, then click on the Agree and Create Account button. If you already have an account, select Log In and enter your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Business section in the dashboard. Click on Integrate PayPal or Commerce Platform to explore the PayPal Commerce Platform options. Click on Learn More to access detailed information about the feature. Review the benefits and capabilities of AI workflow automation. You may be prompted to select a pricing plan that suits your business needs. Choose the plan that fits best, and then click on Continue or Select Plan. Review the details of your subscription before proceeding. Fill in any additional required information, including billing details. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Follow any further instructions provided in the email to finalize setup. Lastly, access your PayPal dashboard to start configuring your AI workflow automation tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.